My name is Alyce, and I'm the team lead of a support team here in APAC, and we look after Asia, Australia, and New Zealand. For our team, we communicate with our restaurant partners. We also communicate with their customers, so with the restaurant customers. We use email, live chat, and phones to do that communication. And mostly we work obviously inside the product that we offer. We work inside a CRM. We found that we had a massive improvement in our workflow because everything's where they need it to be. They don't have to go looking for it. We found that for the inbound team, we had improvement of our successful outcomes from the calls. We had an improvement of around about 26% there. We got an improvement for our outbound teams of 5% increase in outbound call rates. So in a business where we're looking at upwards 30 calls a day per person, it's quite a significant uplift because they're not spending the time having to manually go through the call logging process. So yeah, it's been quite a helpful tool for us. We moved our customer feedback, or what we would call NPS, from 83% to a 91.5%. It's been a huge improvement for onboarding. In the past, we had team members come on board. It'd take 3 months to get them up to speed because they'd have to know where to find the right document, what the right things to say are to the partner, how to handle each scenario. And we've got them confident enough to be frontline solo in 2 weeks, and before it was up to 3 months. After 1 week of implementing the tool, the call logging ratio in our region went from 80% to 100% because we're able to have standardized formats. Instead of someone saying, yes, I did this, it's a checkbox. So we're able to pull reports that tell us exactly what's going on. And the team members loved it, so that helped with the reporting as well. And they found that there was a big improvement for the continuity of service delivery. We have a number of things that we need to check off and make sure each of the agents are doing on each individual call or email or live chat. They need to be doing certain tasks. And previously we had the different tasks in different files that they used to have to go and switch between. We use TextBlaze to simplify our record keeping. So when we're making phone calls to partners or partners are making phone calls to us, we want to be able to record the conversation that we've had in the most effective manner. We've integrated TextBlaze into the call logging. So when they're starting a conversation with a partner, they're hitting off a specific shortcut or snippet, and then that's giving them their checklist that they need to run through. Make sure that you know all of the functions. When you first start, you start with a little bit and you find all these other things that are buried in there that you can find, and you can just go nuts and do some amazing things. And then the second one is making sure that you've got the buy-in of all the users, because once you share how powerful it can be to the users, they want to help build it and they want to help improve it and they want to make it even better. So having the users really implement it is really, really cool. I think you have to have the business practice down first. Don't implement it at the same time as trying to implement something else. So we had these documents in place, so we could just transfer the data into the tool. We didn't have to make it up as we go.